This is the poultry egg incubator that I made. Uses an Arduino and sensors and some actuators to control and maintain specified humidity and temperature levels, which is what a chicken egg needs to develop properly. It also tilts the eggs. Normally chicken eggs need to be tilted at least every 3 hours to prevent the developing embryo to stick to the edge of the egg and cause problems with development. For the sake of this video, I've speeded that up quite a bit so you can see that happen more often than every 3 hours. So I'll go ahead and talk about each part for just a second. Down here at the bottom I have, you can see it's a clear box with a CPU fan, kind of hard to see. CPU fan there attached to it and some holes on this side. When it gets a signal to turn on, it'll blow air into that and across those saturated sponges and out the holes. So it'll add humidity to the incubator. And then here up front you can see a servo. This is linked to this and will tilt the eggs. Right here is a DH11 temperature and humidity sensor. So that gives signals every 2 seconds to the Arduino, giving it real-time temperature and humidity levels. And then kind of hard to see up here, but we have a 60-watt light bulb as our heat source, which turns on and off according to specified temperature. And we have a big CPU fan there that blows air past it, keeps the air evenly mixed. Got an LED light here, which allows us to just turn on a light that we can leave on if we want, while the other light's not on. And then we got our Arduino there. Up top here, we've got our keypad, 4x4 keypad and LCD display. So that's everything. I'll turn it on and you see how it works. Just reach down and turn the power on. Plug it in here. Okay, so I cut out some footage to hopefully save you some time, but I wanted to try to catch this on video so you can see it. So the humidity, when it reaches 40%, it should shut off the humidifier fan, and the temperature, when it reaches 92, should turn off the light. So you can see the humidifier fan is spinning. Okay, there goes the temperature. Okay, we're close on the humidity. You can see that turn off. Okay, and there, yep, just came to a stop. I'll show you the servo function here, tilting the eggs back and forth. Like I said, normally this would only do it every 3 hours, but so you can see it, I'm having it do it every 20 seconds or so. Okay, so we saw that turn off when it reached 92 degrees. Let's say you still want it on, but you can't have the light on because you don't want it to continue to heat up. But you want it on to look cool. Then the keypad here, if I press 1, it'll turn on some LED lights that I have in there. So 1, 2, 3, and there we go. Flip it around here. You can see an array of LEDs that I have. So it's been a fun project. Got to learn how to use relays and learn more about transistors, servos, and writing code for that, and how to use the keypad and LCD. I learned quite a bit on it. So that's it.